What's up, hunters? How's it going? Today we're diving into the Veteran VX10 metal detector by Vertex Detectors, a professional grade device that is also beginner friendly, combining the advanced SFX German technology with ease of use, so it's perfect if you're new or experienced. The Veteran VX10 helps you find gold, coins, and metals faster and with more confidence. Thanks to its clear signals and smart design, you can focus on hunting, not guessing. I'll guide you through its main features, how to use it, and why it could be the perfect tool for your next adventure. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started. The Veteran VX10 main unit, standard search coil, wired headphones, charger and USB cable, a quick start guide, and a rugged carry case. Assembly's quick. Just connect the coil, tighten everything up, and you're good to go. To start, attach the search coil by aligning the holes on the shaft and coil bracket. Insert the screw and tighten it firmly, but don't over tighten it to avoid damage. Then, connect the coil cable by matching the white marks on the plug and the socket. Insert carefully, then twist the locking nut to secure it. Lastly, unlock the grip lever and extend the shaft to the comfortable length for your height. The Veteran VX10 weighs just under 2 kilograms, making it perfect for long hours. Built with durable materials for long days in the field, the ergonomic handle and padded armrest help reduce fatigue, while the interface is streamlined for easy navigation. It's perfectly balanced between the coil and handle for a smooth, natural swing. Buttons are large and spaced out for easy use, even with gloves, great for tough field conditions. Now let's talk about the technologies that the Veteran VX10 uses. The Veteran VX10 features multiple technologies to suit different search conditions. These modes adjust how the device processes signals from the ground and the targets beneath it. One of the key strengths of the VX10 is its color-coded target identification system. Yes, but before that, let's talk about the signal graph and what it identifies using the two-color signal graph, displaying real-time detection. The yellow bars above zero mean non-ferrous metals, and the red bars below zero mean ferrous metals. Next to it, on the main target ID, 3 color indicators appear. Green for all metal types right in the center, and red for the ordinary or non-precious metals on the right, and yellow for the precious metals on the left. The specific metal type's value is shown in numbers at the bottom of the screen. And when you activate the pinpointer, a yellow metric line appears and grows as you get closer to the target, helps you zero in precisely. Here's the screen. You've got 6 main elements that you'll use during your hunt. Graph, target ID graph, pinpointer, battery status, sensitivity and gain levels, search coil connection status. Inside the general settings, you'll find options to tailor the detector to your preferences. You can change screen brightness, system volume, and language, with 7 languages to support the metal detector, including English, German, Arabic, Russian, Spanish, Italian, and French. Use the navigation buttons to move through menus quickly. OK confirms, back cancels, or goes to the previous screen. It's all designed to be intuitive so you can focus on your hunt, but here are some things to keep in mind. Keep metal objects away. Ensure that phones, watches, necklaces, bracelets, and other metal items are kept at a safe distance from the search area. This prevents interference with the detected signals, which could lead to inaccurate or false readings. Stay away from power lines, industrial facilities, and iron debris. If searching in such areas is necessary, it is recommended to reduce the sensitivity level to minimize interference. Maintain distance between detectors. When using multiple metal detectors simultaneously, ensure a minimum distance of 100 meters between them to prevent signal interference. Now, let's filter out the noise and step it up. Turn on iron rejection to block unwanted ferrous signals. like nails, bottle caps, and focus on valuable targets. And when you turn on turbo mode, it enhances signal strength and reaches greater depths in pure and debris-free soil. And ground calibration helps reduce false signals caused by mineralized soils. To calibrate, press the calibration button. The interface will guide you to raise and lower the coil parallel to the ground. And make sure to keep the height between 10 and 35 centimeters. Watch the graph as it stabilizes. Wait 10 to 30 seconds for the system to adapt. If the graph stays close to the zero line, you are calibrated. A confirmation message will appear when it's done. The rechargeable battery lasts 6 hours, enough for a full day of detecting. The VX10 features a built-in rechargeable battery. To recharge it, just plug it in using the included USB cable and you're ready for your next adventure. The wired headphones help you hear signals clearly, especially in noisy environments. All you have to do is plug them into the headphone jack and you're good to go. Alright, now let's see how the Veteran VX10 performs with buried metal underground. Start by keeping the surge coil about 10 centimeters above the ground. Sweep it slowly from side to side, always staying parallel to the surface. Watch the screen closely. When a signal pops up, the color-coded graph and target ID will help you understand what you found. And to pinpoint exactly where your target is, just press and hold this button over here, which activates pinpoint mode. Keep holding the button to monitor signal strength. The longer you hold it, the more accurate your pinpoint. When you let go, the VX10 jumps back into normal search mode. And if you feel the ground conditions shift, maybe it gets more mineralized, just tap the handle button quickly to trigger a fast recalibration. So, why choose the Veteran VX10? It's easy to use and perfect for beginners. Accurate thanks to its SFX technology, you get real-time metal ID. Comfortable, light, and balanced for long hunts. Adaptive, different modes handle any soil and any target. Reliable, long battery life, and fast charging. It's built to last, rugged design, and quality material. With the VX10, you'll find more targets like gold and coins and spend less time digging junk. Every trip becomes more rewarding. The Veteran VX10 is powerful, reliable, and easy to use. Perfect for anyone serious about metal detecting. Advanced German technology made simple, giving you confidence and clarity on every hunt. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your gear, the VX10 is ready to help you discover your next prize. Built for discovery, made for results. That's the Veteran VX10 by Vertex Detector.